In this video, I am going to show you how to access the tennis channel during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're a tennis fan and want to make the most of your trial period, this guide will help you stream matches easily. Let's get started. To access the tennis channel on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. During the sign-up process, ensure that the Sports Plus add-on package is included in your subscription, as the tennis channel is part of this premium upgrade. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to locate the tennis channel. You can watch live matches, replays, or recorded content using the Cloud DVR feature. If this video helped you learn how to access the tennis channel during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.